Have you ever wondered why your sewing machine is skipping stitches? Have you ever heard the term, is my sewing machine out of time? Well, in this video, we're about to cover all of that. Hi, I'm Albert with Grome Sewing Machine Company, and I'm excited to announce that we are starting a new segment called Tech Talks. And for our very first video, I want to go over a topic that I hear quite often, and that is my sewing machine out of time? We get that question quite a bit. Customers are stitching along, they start to see some skip stitches, or they're doing a zigzag and only part of it is forming, and so they automatically assume that the machine is out of time. And so what we're going to do in this first segment, or this first video in this segment, is we're going to take a look at a visual reference of what a machine is in time and how a machine will look down in the sewing hook area if it's out of time. All right, so let's take a look at this Kenmore we have here. The first thing I want to point out is that this is what we refer to as the sewing hook. And there is a point on this hook that is what we need to focus on. Right now I've got this machine set on zigzag. I've got it set to the widest zigzag. And what we want to do is we want to bring our needle down to where our zigzag is on the left needle position. So it should swing over now, get into the left needle position. Now when the needle goes all the way down, it starts to come back up. And this point that we are looking at on our sewing hook needs to come behind the needle, and when it meets it directly behind the needle, the eye of the needle that we thread the thread through needs to be below the point of that hook. Typically about a millimeter, 1 to 2 millimeters is typical. And if you see it like I am showing you here, then this machine is in time. So what does it look like when it's out of time? Okay, so let's take a look at this setup now. We've got our needle coming down. We've got our point of our hook rotating around. Our needle has come down into the sewing hook area. Our hook is coming to meet our needle. Our eye is currently down here. And as our hook rotates around, we start to see that the eye is already pretty much level with the point of the hook. And when the hook actually meets the needle, the eye is way above the point of the hook. The thread will never catch, and what you will see as you're sewing along are skip stitches, either in straight stitch or anytime you do any type of stitch that has width to it, it will be skipping on the left side. All right, so now that I've shown you what a sewing machine looks like when it's in time and a sewing machine that how it looks when it's out of time, you'll have a pretty good understanding now of checking your machine. So if you're seeing skip stitches, you can pull off your needle plate, you can go through the checks that I showed you and be able to determine whether the machine is truly out of time. Now this video was strictly just to kind of help you identify whether your machine is in time or out of time. It's not a video to show you how to repair. And the only reason I say that is because it's pretty complex. There are a lot of variables to setting timing on a machine. So the best thing to do, in my opinion, is take it to a certified dealership for your brand and have them check it over and make sure that everything is correct, or let them repair it. That way they can determine where the actual fault occurred and they can address the machine. That keeps your machine in warranty if you still have a warranty, because you've taken it to a certified dealer, and they'll take care of your machine, they'll get it back to you, and it'll be good working order. All right, well, thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We will be having more Tech Talk segments covering different topics on sewing machines. And if you're in the San Antonio area, don't forget to visit us at both our locations, one in San Antonio and one in Universal City. We are here to take care of all your sewing machine needs.